Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for finance. Start by understanding Python's core concepts, including variables, loops, and functions. Next, set up your development environment by installing Python and key libraries like pandas and NumPy. Begin practicing with small, manageable financial data sets to build your foundational skills. Once you have the basics, dive into pandas, a powerful library for data manipulation. You will learn to import various financial data formats, clean messy datasets, and perform essential operations like merging and reshaping. This step is crucial for preparing your data for in-depth financial analysis and modeling. With clean data, you can now perform meaningful financial analysis. Utilize Python to calculate key financial metrics, conduct regression analysis, and build predictive models. Learn to visualize your findings using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, making complex data understandable and actionable for decision-making. Finally, challenge yourself with advanced financial applications. This includes exploring quantitative finance concepts, building more sophisticated models, and even delving into machine learning for financial forecasting. Engaging in personal projects will solidify your understanding and showcase your ability to apply Python in a professional financial context.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.